Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today and for watching my video. This is one of my new ventures that I'm doing every month. It's called the SS Monthly Challenge. So this is the SS March Challenge. I am doing it a little bit early purely because this is the first time I'm doing it and just want to see how it goes really. Now, you might ask yourself, what is a SS March Challenge? Well, it's the Stamping Stilettos March Challenge, where I am going to be giving away this journal that I have made. And basically all you have to do to have a chance in actually winning this journal is to send me 3 items. Now, 3 papercraft items or fabric or something that would be suitable for a journal. Now, I know that there are some card makers out there and you don't really make, some of my subbies don't do journals. So a gift tag would do, or a card. Now the card would, be able to go into a journal, of course, if it was a smaller card, or, in bigger journals. But just not to have a sentiment on it like happy birthday or get well, but if you have like an inspirational sentiment like you're fabulous, or something like that, that's absolutely fine. Or just don't put a sentiment on the card. And the theme is going to be flowers, and flowers, or I should say Victorian. So you can do a Victorian flower theme, or if you just want to do flower theme, that's fine. If you want to do one flower item, one Victorian, another flower, that's absolutely fine as well. So I thought that some of you may not have anything kind of Victorian, some of you will have printables or ephemera, etc. So that's why I'm giving you the choice: either 3 flowered items or 3 Victorian, or a mixture of both. Now, what could you send in? Well, let's just give you some ideas. Pockets, tags, tuck spots, cards, bookmarks, paperclip embellishments, altered paper clips. Oh my gosh, let me think. There's quite a lot of things that you could actually do. Now let me show you the journal that might inspire you of things that you can send in. Okay, so let me just go through this, because this is what you are going to win. Now, what I'm going to do, if you are interested in entering this challenge, if you can just leave a comment in the description, in the comment below, and then if you can email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. The email is in the description below, and I will send you my address so that you can send your 3 items to me. As I receive the entries, I will give you a number. So if you're the first person that sends the things in, you will get number 1, and so on. And then at the end of the month, actually on the 1st of April, I will pick out a number out of I'll put them all in a bowl, and I'll pick out a number to win this journal. Now, depending on how many entries I get, if I get an awful lot of entries, then I will add in a second prize. And as these challenge giveaways progress, hopefully we'll get more and more entries, because I'm hoping to do this every month. I will then add more prizes. So at the moment there is 1 main prize. See how we get on. If we get a lot of entries, then I'll add a second prize, and then so on, first, second and third, so that there are more options, more chances of you to actually win something. So let me show you. This is one of my favorite journals that I have made. I just love the colors of it. I love the picture on it. It's covered in lace on the back. It's got this lovely sheer organza ribbons. Excuse me. And this is one of Artie May's. I think this is Artie May's kits, but the ephemeras from all different places. It's got a lovely fabric pocket here. So these are just some ideas. You could just make fabric pockets. There's some lovely ephemera in here as well. And then we've got some braid, some, you know, sort of lacy braid on the side. Lots of journaling space. A little tuck spot there. Some more ephemera. You can, you know, send in ephemera, like decorated ephemera. My cat is about to jump in my drawer. Get down. That's what's going to happen, isn't it? See? Right, I'm sorry. You just heard a big crash and bang because I've got a very naughty cat, and it isn't Charles. It's the naughty Mr. Bing. He wrecks my craft room, seriously. Right, okay, so we were here. So yes, you can send in decorated ephemera. It just needs to be 3 items. You know, you can have 3 altered paper clips that are, or dangles, or use your imagination, you know, have fun with it. And let's see, I'm not judging on what you send in because you'll just be and give it a number. So it's not that I'm going, oh, you're better than others. So this is suitable for beginners right the way up. Okay, so this is a book page pocket here. We've got a little journaling card, more. This is vintage lace there. We have another pocket here with some fabric and some pieces of ephemera, a tag, and that there. More pages to write on. And then we have a lovely old photo and an old advert there. Advertisement, and that's just on a little tuck spot. And then here we've got a little corner flip. There you go, like that. And you've got your pages here. Lots of journaling spaces. That's the centre of the signature. And then we've got another tuck spot there with some more ephemera. This is one of them flip out pockets. And lots of ephemera in here and all photos. And then we've got one of my handmade tags and a little postcard. This just clips on there. It's just a little pocket with some more ephemera. And we've got some more here. Lots of pockets. There's lots of fabric in this journal. This is when I first sort of started experimenting, putting more fabric into them. So, and look at this little pocket here with these lovely flowers. And that's the journal. So that's what's up for grabs. So all I'm asking is that it's 3 items that you send in. You know, if you think of something that would go in a journal that I haven't thought about or I haven't said about, then I'm, you know, open to you sending in just 3 paper items, or fabric items, I should say. Let's have a look. I mean, you know, this is a tag. So it's entirely up to you. I'm just trying to give you some ideas. This was like a tuck spot. Yeah, oh, that's another thing. Journaling cards or decorated index cards. They're always fun because you can add a tab. I haven't got any decorated index cards here, but they are a great way to sort of put in journals. This is a traveler's journal, so it doesn't have to be, I don't mind what size the items are that you send in. So if you want to send in big tags, that's fine, because I do all different size journals. And actually the journal that I'm hoping to do is a big journal, a full-size journal, and then I'm going to put all my bits and pieces, that all the entries, into a journal, make it into a beautiful journal. So don't worry about the size, as long as it would fit into a full-size journal or a small size, up to you. I'm waffling now. So have lots of fun. Just leave a comment below if you're interested in entering. You've got really sort of like 6 weeks on this one. I just thought that hopefully we'll get international subbies that want to take part, so that's plenty of time for you to get crafting and post something to me. Now my address is actually in the box below. If you can't see it, you have any problems, email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com and I will forward the address to you. So who is going to have this wonderful journal? Just so the entries are open now, and good luck everyone. I look forward to receiving your wonderful goodies, and I will be showing them in videos. Okay, all right, my lovelies. I'm going to go now, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye-bye.